So yeah, before you join us in this webinar, we were talking about the reason for why clinical solutions, why now, and why research site owners need a risk-free marketplace to connect and recruit more clinical trials volunteers in order to better compete with the centralized campaigns the big CROs are running now. So the truth is the demographics are already shifting, and the old school way of recruiting out of the practice patients are no longer working because we live in a mobile first world where we use our smartphones as our primary health advisor. This is why we need a cross platform, multi device solution to be able to attract, educate, and recruit more volunteers for our studies. Because having a brand authority, the know how of being discovered by search engines, and recommended from within health apps is more important than ever, given that the number one phone feature used by potential clinical trials volunteers is their text messaging app. Hence the need for a revolutionary text messaging interface that can motivate patients to be more involved in medical research. Given these conditions, your out-practice patient recruitment strategies could be outdated. More importantly, the way our system works offers you a level of automation that is unprecedented in the research industry, because we match and pre-qualify all candidates, showing you only actual clinical trials applicants, the ones that are truly the best fit for your studies. Because at the end of the day, we know that you only get paid by the number of patients you enroll and randomize in your clinical trials. This is why our solution is 100% free to use, because our number one priority is the success of your business. And yes, we do operate in a HIPAA compliant environment, providing you with the most accurate pool of applicants at zero cost to you, with no contracts or set of fees. Because how we work is super simple. First, you list all your studies into our platform. Then you get to review your candidate pool, sorted by the highest percent match, based on the inclusion and exclusion criteria of your clinical trials. Lastly, once a volunteer applies for one of your studies, you get to review their entire medical profile for free, only paying us a small success fee once you accept their application and they actually get randomized to participate in one of your studies. Basically, you can see our platform in action simply by registering as a researcher with the link provided here, at no risk to you, because we are 100% free to use with zero contracts or zero fees.